Hello students, myself Vinti Rai and this is your class 7 mathematics. Chapter is integers. This is the second video of integers. In earlier video already I taught you about the number lines and addition and subtraction about integers. Now let's see here the next topic we study. Page number 2. Some exercise are given. See this page. You already open your book because in one by one I will show question and then we solve on copy. See, one question is given, a number line represent integers is given below. -3 and -2 are shown here and they are telling the other letters what number will show. You should write. Let's see, we first draw the number lines on copy. Oh, on a proper gap you will draw this one. This is video and it won't be too much lengthy, that's why I am doing fast, but you will take a proper gap. Okay, let's see. In question, -3 is given below of E and -2 is given below of F. Now in question is asking what number will be B, D, H, J, M and O. Let's see, we complete these whole integers, we complete these number lines. When we come, already you know, and in previous video I taught you, when we come in right side of we go in right side, then the value of number will be increased. -2, then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we come in left side, value of digit integers will be decreased. -4, -5, -6, -7. Negative, one more thing you should remember always, negative greater number always less than the negative smaller number. Okay, this one is less than this one. In your question they are telling to mark B, B, D, H, J, M and O. These are numbers. Second question is arrange 7, 5. See, second question, arrange 7, -5, 4, 0 and -4 in ascending order and then mark them on a number line to check your answer. See, we know 7, -5, 4, 0 and -4. Ascending number we already know. In ascending number we go from smaller to bigger. So first of all here negative integers and positive integers are given along with 0 also. So first of all the small number will be negative integers, but two negative integers are given here. So the greater negative integer will be small than the smaller negative integer. So ascending order, is equal to -5 will be the smallest, then -4, then 0 and 4 and 7. This will be your ascending number. You can check this number on your number lines also. When it go from left to right, it means your answer is correct. We have done addition and subtraction of integers in our previous classes. Read the following statements. On a number line, when we add positive integers, we move to the right. Yes. When we add a negative integers, we move to left. When we subtract when we add positive integers, then we go right side, and when we add negative integers, then negative plus minus will be minus, and we come to left side. Subtract the positive integers, subtract the positive means negative, positive means plus, minus plus will be minus, then we again move to left because here subtraction is done finally. And when we subtract a negative integers, then we move to the right. Subtract means negative, and subtract means minus, and negative also will be minus. This minus minus will be finally addition, add, and when we add something, then we move in right side on number lines. Okay, now see, state whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. Correct those which are wrong. See, some statements are given. First is, when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integers. Let's see. Two positive integers are added, then we get positive integers. Yes, this is correct, because see, 56 plus 73, these are positive integers. When we add them, what we get? 3, 6, 9 and 5, 7, 12. This is positive. So no doubt this is correct statement. Now second is, students, you have book, so you just consult from your book. I am reading the question. When two negative integers are added, we get a positive integers. When two negative integers are added, see, minus 6 are added, two negative integers are added, these negative integers are, and when they are added, then what happened? See, minus, before starting this, again I am drawing that four important rules. Plus minus will be minus, minus plus will be minus, minus minus will be plus, and plus plus will be plus. So with the help of this rule box, we solve this one. Minus 6 plus minus will be minus. So minus 6 and minus 7. Minus 13 we get minus 13. In your question, when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integers. Is it positive? No, this is negative. So it will be incorrect. Statement will be, when we add two negative integers, then we get always negative integers. We get negative integers. Now the third statement is, when a positive integers and negative integers are added, we always get negative integers. When positive integers and negative integers are added, this is positive integers and this is negative integers. When they are added, we always get negative. Let's check. 16 plus minus will be minus, 9 we get 7, and the sign of this will be of sign of bigger digit, so plus 7 we get. So this will be incorrect, because in question they tell we always get negative integers, but this is the positive integer, so it will also will be incorrect. 7 is positive integers. Okay, when we add positive integers and negative integers, then difference will take, okay, we take difference and we place the sign of bigger integers, so it won't be possible only negative integers here happen. here may be positive or may be negative, that depend on the sign of bigger numbers. Okay, now see the fourth one. I'm showing this page also again. Fourth, additive. This is your page number 2 of integers. See, fourth, additive inverse of integer 8 is minus 8 and additive inverse of integer minus 8 will be 8. Yes, this is of course correct, because additive inverse will be the same digit but with opposite sign. And when we add these numbers, if we get 0, then definitely these are correct. Let's see, when we add 8 minus 8 will be 0. So additive inverse will be of 8 minus 8, and additive inverse will be of minus 8, 8. Fifth number, for subtraction, we add a additive inverse of integer that is being subtracted to the other integers. Let's see the examples. Fifth one, when we add 56, suppose that 56 is the integers and one more integers, other integers, additive integers, when we add additive inverse of integers, (73), suppose that is 73. So what, additive in 56 and additive inverse of integer 73 will be minus 73. And when we add, here in question is telling when we add 56 plus minus 73, then that is being subtracted. तो क्या वो subtract हो रहा है? Let's see, 56 plus minus 73. Yes, this is subtracted, and what we get, 56 minus 73 we get, when we subtract 6, then we get 7, and here 1, and the sign of 17 will be sign of greater number minus, so minus 70 we get. So this is correct. This is correct because we are subtracting here. We start addition, but finally we subtracted this. So this is correct. Now see the sixth one. In question, see 6, minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. And in 7 also such type of equations are given. So where we solve left hand side, then right hand side, then we compare these are equal or not. See 6, minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. LHS we take minus 10 plus 3. Minus plus will be subtraction, will be minus. Then we subtract here and we get 7, but sign of a bigger number we put here, so minus 7 will be here. Now see this one, 10 and minus 3 we get 7, and sign of bigger number we put here, that will be plus. Minus 7 and plus 7 are not equal, so this equation will be incorrect. Is it clear? Yes, this equation will be incorrect. Now 7, 8 plus minus 7 minus 4 is equal to 8 plus 7 minus 4. 8 plus minus, take LHS first. 8 plus minus will be minus, 7 minus will be plus 4. 8 plus 4, we add the positive numbers. First of all, 8 plus 4 we get 12, minus 7, then we get 5. Okay, Now here take RHS. 8 plus 7 we get 15, minus 4 here we get 11. 5 and 11 both are same? No, they are not same. So this is also 5 and 11 are not same. Mean to say not equal. This is incorrect. So students, I hope you understood this one. In next video, we'll start the next exercise. Okay, thank you.